Okay, so now that I have everything, looks like everything I need is elevated. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the property line. I'm going to turn off my original ground contours, and I'm going to turn off these spot elevations. So if we come up to my layers, I don't think I have any of those on, but these guys are on, yeah, so they're on the CAD, the text layer, and the line string, grade spot. So if I come up here and I toggle everything on, toggle everything off. Oh, I put those on working, that's right. Yep, so let's come down here and turn off working. That's where they went. So now I have everything here, it's all 3D, okay? So that's all elevated. Looks flat only because this is a relatively flat site. So what I'm going to do, the first thing is to basically select all this data, go to the Surfaces tab, select Create Surface. We're going to call this Finished Grading. So, or Finished Ground. So this is the finished ground surface, or you could call it the design surface. I'm going to come in here and we're going to call it the design. We can pick a color if we want. And you can put a date, time, and then you can see I've got my member selected. So I just did a window select, and then I'm going to click apply. And you can see that it's going to create a surface. And as it created that surface, you can see I have a couple flags. So we want to go ahead and take a look at those. I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel because you can see this is now wants to create a new surface. So I'm going to hit cancel, and I only will have that one surface. So if I go to my Project Explorer, you can see there's my finished surface. Okay. So now what we need to do is we need to come in here and we need to do a little bit of cleanup, maybe add some densification, check some slopes, maybe add in a few more break lines to clean this up, and then we do got to put in our contour lines that are out here. So I'm going to show you that in the next series of videos.